Kain guys, kain.
Now and then, one other guy who knows how to manage the clock in an game situation.
Banquero is back on. He'll try and keep in front of Abarientos. Maloazo. Picked up by Mitchell. Napakalagaan na ni Akil yung kanyang limang foul. Brownlee against Quinto. Ibigay kay Malonzo. Triple is good for Jamie. Kumakawag-kawag pa para kay Ginebra.
See, because there's still over a minute left. Now, Meralco has to protect their possession.
Mitchell again. Tatawid kontra kay Brownlee.
That will be reviewed, of course, because it's under the last 2 minutes. So any possession of the ball will be reviewed by the referee.
Looks like Malonzo hit his head on the floor. That is a scary sign though. Parang tumalpog eh. May nakita tayo doon.
Ako, hindi ko nakita. Sorry.
Medical staff rushing over to check on Jamie as the possession will be reviewed by the referees. Sabi mo nga, basta last 2 minutes, matik yun. There was no foul, possession lang to. Take a look at this angle, oh. Mukha namang off Jamie.
Yes, there were no foul scored.
Yun. Tumalbog nga yung kanyang ulo. The possession will stay with Meralco with 62 seconds to go.
And they'll call a timeout. Set up everything.
They want to map this one out. They want to make sure they get it in clean. Dahil 6 na puntos lang ang pinapangalagaan kalamanan ng Meralco.
Lalong tumalas ang tinuunang katas na pangarap. Lakas na napaan ang parte, diskarte.
Good morning, kapatid. Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
Coming off a 20-point performance back in game number 1, Chris Newsom powering Meralco again to a 6-point lead here. He's got 24 to go along with 5 assists. You gotta love the efficiency though. 7 of 11 from 2, 3 of 5 from 3.
Yeah, medyo matutuwa ng 60%. Nakalimutan, 50 something, no? So, Newsom had a good night. Two guys actually really helped. Well, the whole team played well. But yung scoring ni Newsom at yung scoring ni Rio sa mabigat dito.
But they need one